In this tutorial, I will show you how to access your certificate earned after attending a course or workshop with MetroRESA. To begin, log in to the registration system. Go to the far right-hand side of the screen to the Completed Courses area. Click on the course that is complete and then choose Download Certificate from the menu. You can also revisit the online course by clicking on Go to Course. I will click on Download Certificate, and mine automatically download to my download folder. I can now click here or open the actual folder and access my certificate. We hope this has been helpful. Let us know if you have any other questions.